Thingiraini wa iregi muthenya wa umuthi nikuo President William Ruto itekete kurutira ndwara ciake kuri aregani ake NENE undu rio murakaritie na njira nene ukioneka gukorwo ari uregani uri urikitie gutungio thuguri ya shares cia thirikari kambuni ya SAFARICOM
rolling out Nakuru.
Haha Ruto okirira mumbunge wa KIHARU Ndindi Nyoro atekuhithirira kuona Ndindi ni umwe wa atongoria aria makoretwo makiruta thuguri no mahitia. Ruto akiuga Ndindi na aria angi mararegana na thuguri no marakinyanira ona ngumo njogomu cia kiuteti.
But you will hear some people saying, why are you doing this? This is wrong. The same people who told us, who agreed with us, let's do it. We're saying we're divesting a portion of SAFARICOM to raise money. They tell us, oh, who negotiated? Where is the committee that negotiated for the price of the shares? Really?
Mieri ya Ruto ya rurakioneka gwetaregania thuguri no mikora ya kiuteti akigweta ati matire na ngoro ya gutigirira mukenya wa kawaida ni akurumenya mariko-ini ya wagi wa tafarira cia uthii wa nambere wiro ria ugite ungiruteka oro na kigina ta giki kuona budget ya bururi na ngombo ti maundu mangihuthika umuthi uyu.
I want to tell those people who are giving us lectures about what we are doing with the IPO on Kenya Pipeline or SAFARICOM, they should spare us their political conmanship and intellectual deceit. We don't need it. We want to move the country forward. This is not about politics. This is not about the next election. This is about transforming Kenya.
Ruto ni areganite na miario ya Ndindi ya kuga thirikari irendia shares ici na kubecura iregete thogora na njira ya wara. Ruto akiuga guku no gwiciriria gutari na uma o wothe.
What is the process that has been taken for the buyer to be identified? What was the process? Can we get the government of Kenya, when they conceptualized this issue of selling our stake, which valuation methods did they employ? Who did they hire to do the valuation?
Any public listed company, the tested, proven, transparent valuation is done by the capital markets. It's done at the exchange. It's not done in boardrooms or by committees.
Kuna thirikari no yambiriirie wendia wa shares cia ruhonge rwa maguta rwa Kenya Pipeline, President augite ndagutigithiria gwika uria wothe kwahoteka gutigirira bururi niwe mathira kigina kiiganu makiria gia gukinyaniria tafarira cia uthii wa nambere.
With 350 billion, we are going to leverage and we will have between 3.5 and 4 trillion shillings to be able to run all our projects. Akili.
Haru ya Kameme TV, Retora Koni Bataru wa Mwagi.